Hello guys, yes, welcome to Comment Jungle Entertainment. This video you're about to watch is to show you the basics and the steps to grow your YouTube channel to get monetized, to get 1,000 subscribers in due time. Stay tuned. Let's go. Yes, to grow your YouTube channel, to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, which is not very easy to get. It can take more than a year, 4 years, and 1 year, 2 years, or more than. But with the help of Views.Biz, you can get it in less than 5 days. What you do now, click the link in the description box to order your 4,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscribers in less than 5 days. Boom! Thank you very much. I don't have much to say. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.